How to make it possible to use pre-labeled data for AI algorithms with high-quality requirements. Pre-labeled data is the result of an automated object detection and labeling process where a special AI model generates annotations for the data. While the automation may appear to be cost-effective, it also may contain some pitfalls. In quite many cases, after the pre-labeled data is generated, there are doubts and concerns about its accuracy. When the labeling model has not sufficient confidence in its results, it will generate labels and annotations of the quality, which isn't enough to train well-performing AI/ML algorithms. Let's take a closer look at the hidden risks and complexities of using pre-labeled data. Pre-labeled data may not be as cost-effective as you think. If you are relying on pre-labeled data to train the AI system, you will need to constantly develop and adjust algorithms. It results in a significant increase in costs. However, if the data array is really large in most cases, the manual quality validation step will be necessary. You will incur data validation costs. Algorithms for data pre-annotation have a hard time understanding complex projects with a large number of components. The geometry of object detection, labeling accuracy, recognition of different object attributes. Take a look at the difference between automated and manual labeling. Some types of data annotations can only be done by humans. In general, for projects where the model may carry risks to life, health, safety of people, it would be a mistake to rely on auto-labeled data alone. Even the most advanced algorithms today and in the near future will not have critical thinking, so such a process is possible only through manual annotation.